Ahoy mateys! When I was fishing, I decided to make a video for my other channel, and that's what happened. I didn't notice that the camera had collapsed. If something like this has happened to you, do not rush to delete the video. I will show you how to fix everything. First of all, hit this button. This one. If you don't see it, choose it from this menu. It's called transform. So this frame appears. To zoom in, zoom out, use your mouse wheel. After this, go to inspector. Here we can close everything from on the left side. Now we go to rotation angle over here. Click left mouse button and hold it. Move your mouse to the right side or left. Now to get rid of these black holes, black edges, go to zoom. Again, click left mouse button, hold it and move it to the right. Move the mouse to the right. Now to see the final result, turn off the frame by clicking this button again. Now we have a pretty nice video. At least it's not collapsed anymore. Fair wind!